This is a Bluetooth speaker. You can use in the golf cart or some other GPS and other stuff for golfing. So the problem in this one is the charger port. Yeah, you can see that side of the charger port where you see that shiny dot. That's where is the damage. So it look like this one been dropped before, of course, or been dropped many times, or the customer tried to take it off. And this one is just snapped at where the screws go. So this one, it's go on the top this side, and start taking the speaker apart, need to take this rubber, and you're gonna see the screw under it. I'm gonna need to snap out this one. Yep, that's the charger port, but we're still gonna need to check this board, I think. Yeah, we can check this board without checking the other side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, let me see if I can put this one back. No. Okay. So let's put this side first, then we'll put this side. Now this part here, the glue is really good with the... But we can get it. Okay. Alright, yeah. Yep, that's the charger port, and so let's look for a replacement. Yeah, that's the right one. Alright, because we have this pattern here, so we don't want to put a lot of heat on the charger. Alright, let's put that component we knock out, this conductor. Oh, we have the light. Let's see. It works. And it's taking about so it have like a fast charging option. And you can see the green and alright, it works.